Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to change the battery in Honda Odyssey headphones. First, gather your tools. You will need a small Phillips head screwdriver and 2 new AAA batteries. Make sure the headphones are completely powered off to prevent any issues. The battery compartment is typically found on one of the ear cups, often marked with a small battery symbol or a clear seam. This preparation ensures a smooth replacement process. Now, let's access the batteries. Carefully use your small Phillips head screwdriver to remove the tiny screw holding the battery compartment cover in place. Once the screw is out, gently pry open the cover. It might be a snug fit, so take your time. Before removing the old batteries, pay close attention to their positive and negative orientation. This will help you insert the new ones correctly. With the compartment open, it's time for the replacement. Carefully remove the 2 depleted AAA batteries from their slots. Now, take your 2 fresh AAA batteries and insert them, making sure to match the positive and negative terminals exactly as the old ones were positioned. Once the new batteries are securely in place, reattach the battery compartment cover and fasten it with the small Phillips head screw you removed earlier. After replacing the batteries, power on your Honda Odyssey headphones to confirm they are working correctly. Listen for clear audio and ensure they connect properly to your vehicle's entertainment system. If everything sounds good, you're all set. For those looking to improve their financial understanding, check the description for a link to a great book about money, along with other helpful deals. Keeping your headphones in top shape ensures enjoyable journeys for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.